can earthquakes be predicted? On the afternoon of March 11, 2011, the world was stunned when a massive earthquake with a magnitude of 9.0 hit northeastern Japan. The earthquake occurred deep under the sea and triggered a hugely destructive tsunami that killed thousands of people. It also devastated the Fukushima nuclear power plant, causing one of the worst nuclear crises in history. Tragic earthquakes around the world always raise the question of whether these events can be accurately predicted. According to the United States Geological Survey, USGS, an effective earthquake prediction must include three elements: date and time, location, and magnitude. If these elements are precisely predicted, an evacuation can be organized, saving tens of thousands of lives. After decades of research and study, scientists are now able to forecast where and when earthquakes might occur. However, these forecasts cover large areas and broad time frames of years or even decades. This means that their value is severely limited. The Tangshan earthquake, for example, had been forecast a few years before it actually hit the industrial city east of Beijing on July 28, 1976. Over 250,000 people were killed in the disaster. Although earthquakes cannot be accurately predicted, scientists have devised an earthquake early warning (EEW) system, which detects a major earthquake as soon as it begins and immediately sends warnings to areas that the earthquake has not yet reached. EEW systems are now operational in a number of countries, including Canada, Japan, Mexico, and the US. Earthquakes are natural phenomena that can have an extremely serious impact. Unfortunately, despite all scientific advances, there is still no way of predicting exactly when and where an earthquake will occur.
There is some evidence that animals can sense oncoming earthquakes, but many seismologists remain skeptical about whether this ability could be an effective forecast method. They argue that it is very difficult to conduct controlled studies on animals that can give us accurate earthquake warning signals. With earthquakes, as with so many other phenomena, man is at the mercy of nature. It can only be stressed that people who live in earthquake-prone areas must always be prepared for the worst to happen.